My name is Phil Rumore. I am the president of the Buffalo Teachers Federation. What needs to be done for Buffalo public schools to open as safely as possible? What has to be done is there has to be support of any plan by the parents, teachers, school personnel, that this plan is sound academically for the kids and is safe for all of our personnel, so that we do not have to worry about somebody coming down with COVID or having it spread like it has in Texas. Safety is the most important thing, but you have to have buy-in and support by all of the major constituencies.